here we are in another house. So this is our second appointment for today, and same problem. You can see here's the original 6mm plastic vapor barrier that was down on the ground. You can see how it just came apart, degraded, and here's the new one that they have placed over top of the soil, trying to remedy that problem. And you can see, like I said, this vapor barrier just degrades. I mean, it literally just falls apart. This customer had us put in a sump pump. So you can see the sump pump comes up, it connects right into this receptacle here, designated receptacle for the actual sump pump. And a couple things to point out on the sump pump. So we've installed a access port. So this enables us, if we unscrew this here, this enables us to take this out, enables us to reach in and to service the sump pump. We've also got a floor drain here. We don't want any water, surface water. If there were to ever be any surface water in here, we want it to be able to let off and to drain in. And then we've also labeled everything. We label the sump pump lid because, again, this is a part of the mitigation system. We're creating a negative pressure on the underside of this floor liner, so we want this to be sealed. We want it to be to resist airflow and air movement. So we've labeled everything so that we don't disconnect this or remove this from the system. We're all wrapped up. This is all of our system indicators. On the side there is the information packet as well as the system drawing, just to illustrate all the startup parameters that we saw in the system when we activated this. Outside, this goes to the Radon mitigation fan, and you can see here's the Crawlspace system. So here's our cased out door. It just enables us to give the liner somewhere to terminate, and then we can foam around that just so we get a really nice seal. It also just cleans up the entrance. It just makes it look a little bit better for our customer. So this is the last day of our Crawlspace system here, and I would say that this system is lowering the radon. We've had this monitor in here all week. It's been oscillating around 5 to 6 picocuries in the air, and this is the last day. We've got everything sealed up. It's down to 0.3. All right, so we're wrapping up this Crawlspace today. We're taking our Craig jig. We're gonna make a PVC frame to go around and case out the inside of this door, make everything nice and neat for our customer.